Welcome to Alphabet Safari, where ABCs come alive with animals, colors, birds, vegetables with fun. Let's go on a learning safari together. Like, subscribe, and share with family and friends.
Hey kids, welcome to Alphabet Safari. Today we're going on a furry, fun, and fantastic adventure to meet one of nature's coolest creatures. It's big, it's strong, and sometimes a little silly. That's right, we're learning all about bears. Let's dive into the wild world of these amazing animals. Bears are large, furry mammals with round ears, short tails, and strong paws. Most walk on 4 legs, but can stand on 2 when needed. They have powerful muscles and thick fur to keep them warm. Bears have an amazing sense of smell, even better than dogs. There are 8 kinds of bears in the world, and they all live in different places. Let's meet some of the most famous bears. The grizzly bear lives in North America and loves rivers and forests. The black bear is great at climbing trees. The polar bear lives in icy lands and swims like a pro. The giant panda is black and white and munches bamboo all day. The spectacled bear wears white fur glasses on its face. The sloth bear has shaggy hair and a long tongue to eat bugs. Some bears are tiny, like the sun bear, and others are big and bulky. Bears eat lots of different foods depending on where they live. Most are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and meat. Grizzly bears love fish, especially salmon. Black bears eat berries, nuts, insects, and sometimes small animals. Pandas mostly eat bamboo, almost 99% of their diet. Polar bears are mostly carnivores. They hunt seals on the ice. And sun bears, they love honey. Yum! Bears have big appetites to help them grow and stay strong. Bears live all around the world. You'll find them in forests, mountains, tundras, and even icy lands. Bears love quiet spaces with trees, rivers, or snow. They sleep in cozy dens, caves, or under big tree roots. In winter, many bears go into hibernation, a long, deep sleep to stay warm and safe. Bears are usually quiet and like to be alone. They explore, climb, swim, and sniff everywhere. Mother bears are amazing moms. They care for their cubs, teach them to find food, and keep them safe. Cubs are playful, curious, and love to follow their mom around. Time for fun facts. Did you know bears can run faster than a racehorse for a short time? Polar bears have black skin under their white fur. Some bears wave their paws when they're excited. A panda's thumb isn't a real thumb, it's a special wrist bone. Bears love to play, roll, splash, and even dance. Bears are awesome, aren't they? Let's review. Bears are mammals. They live in forests, mountains, or snow. They eat meat and plants, even bamboo and honey. Some bear hibernates. All bear moms love their cubs. Awesome! You're now a bear expert. Thanks for watching Alphabet Safari. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wild adventures. And guess what? Our next adventure is all about the letter C. Can you guess the animal? It's cute, it can climb, and it's hiding in the next episode. Be sure to watch our new video and find out.